Good evening, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add a drop shadow to your text using the Builderall Cheetah Builder platform. So right now you can see I already did this to some text. We have a drop shadow behind the text here. So let's go over to the dashboard. And I've already gone into my site that I'm editing. So basically you go from your Builderall platform, you want to select your Cheetah Builder, press enter, and it's gonna come over to your list of sites that you've made, and I selected my site, and all I did was edit page. So now I'm over here in editing my page for this particular site. So I'm just going to add another text element here, and you do that by coming over here to your right and click on add, and it asks for either a panel or an element. I'm going to select element, I'm going to select text, and it doesn't matter which text that you want. I'm just going to click and drag it over here, release it, and now all you have to do is select this text element and double click in it so you can edit the text. And I'm going to just type in what we see here on the other side here. And at this point you could change the size of your text, so you need to highlight it and select the size that you want. So I'm just gonna come down here, use the scroll bar and select, let's do it a little bit bigger. Okay, you can click out of it. So whenever you select your text, you double click in that area, and this dialog box comes up, so you could do many different formatting options, from changing your font to changing the size of the text to bolding your text, etc. So basically what you want to do now is, in order to create the drop shadow, let's first of all change this around. Let's change the text color. So I'm going to select the text element, double click in it, highlight it, and I'm going to select text color icon right here, and I want to change it to white. And then to add your drop shadow, you come over here to this icon right here to the right, and it says insert text shadow. So select that, and now you could adjust it. So if you want the shadow to be horizontal, you adjust this, and watch what happens over to the right. It gives you a preview of your text that's highlighted, and you just have to play around with increasing the horizontal area here. You could either use the slider or use the up and down arrow to increase or decrease it. So I'm just using the horizontal. I'm not going to do anything with the vertical shadow. And then plus you could also add a blur to it. So if you want to do the blur effect, you could do that too. So again, you just play around with it to get the effect that you want. And also you could change the color of the shadow too. I'm just going to leave it black. So if you click on that, it brings up a color palette, and you're able to do that. And now let's select that, and now as you can see, a drop shadow has been created using that. So let's see now how a vertical drop shadow would look. So I'm going to select this, double click in that area, let's highlight it, and let's select the insert text shadow, and let's change this to 0. And let's do the vertical and see what it does. If you positive, it brings the shadow on the bottom. If you bring it over in the negative, it brings it up to the top. So let's select that. And now you can see there's a drop shadow vertically on that. So that's how you could add a drop shadow to your text fields or text elements within the Builderall platform using the Cheetah Builder. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you today, and it gave you another idea on how you could create different types of text effects for your website. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And also please like, share, and comment. And I very much appreciate you stopping by today and supporting this channel. Again, you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.